You can trade from everywhere. You can make money from everywhere. Good morning, guys. How are you? New week, new opportunities. Today, I'm gonna work a little bit more on the website and on everything in the background, and we will have some trades. So, guys, we do have some movement in the market. So, we are looking at Euro USD, and this is where we wanna be. We wanna get move down to our major zone over here. As soon as we're breaking the zone above, we're getting in. So we got in. Let's see this zone. We were again right. Our zones were working out as we thought they should. Plus, let's see, we are approaching next zone. So as soon as we're breaking this zone, we are probably see something like this. And this is what I'm looking for, to scale my second position from this position to another one that is looking like this. This could be the next good one. Looking to have a 1 to 3, 1 to 4 again. This is something I am doing on my private account. On my funded account, I do have a rule and I always trade the same trades. I always trade the opening London and US. And what I'm looking for breakouts, and it is pretty easy strategy, to be honest. It is a very low risk, high reward strategy. We are looking for breakouts. So for example, if we would have the opening here, if this would be the opening and this would be the structure before the opening, we are looking for a breakout of these zones, these kinds of zones. There is a little bit more than just a breakout, but there are different indicators that we are looking at, and as soon as we seeing a proper breakout, trendline breakout, we getting into a position with a very tight stop loss. Let's say tidy, like this for example. This would be the point of no return. This is what I call it. This is what my people learn. And yeah, then looking for 1 to 3, 1 to 4, whatever we gonna get out of this. At this point, we would probably go down here. We would go on a BE on 1 to 1 and then looking for 1 to 2 for buy, or if you're selling, same, to get down to this area. But yeah, I will give a deeper explanation of this strategy in another YouTube video. Now I'm just waiting for confirmations. I'm getting ready to go to the gym, getting the session in before we having the opening later and the live stream, so stay tuned. It was too late for me to go to the gym, so we jumped on the charts and we ended up with nothing. Basically nothing. Because we lost one, we won one. And if you see this one, if you see the structure, wick, it is so wicky today. We don't like it. We don't like it. So we're not trading anymore today. I think that we're breaking above, but there are, and you can see it on the 5 minute, way better on the 1 minute, getting up, down. So we're still ranging in this area, and we want to have a clear break like we have it done here, but then we directly retraced. Now it could be should we give it a try live here? Yeah, we try it. Come on, risky, but we try it. See, and I will be pretty quickly or get out pretty quickly. But at the second, you see it retracing again. I think on the long run it will go up.
A few moments later.
Yeah, that will be a stop loss hit probably. Not looking good. Just went to the 1 minute and saw this one. We broke down there. I don't know it. I don't like it. It just, yeah, there we go. 360 down today. Not a problem at all. So guys, the markets are absolutely shit today, at least for a strategy. We're trading for the opening. It was horrible. There's just not a lot of volume, and I don't know, we got faked out a lot. So nothing today. I think that's okay. You can have losing days, and this is part of it. I need to now to go to the bank and do some do some stuff. Probably the last day that I'm taking out this one because it is getting so cold. He got semi-slicks on it. It's horrible when it's raining. Just doing burnouts on every corner, on every edge. I will probably do a recap on the market, also recap on how we lost today. That is very important. If you have a loss, you need to recap what happened. Did you do something wrong? Did the strategy just not work out? Because this is something that can happen from time to time. It is normal. No strategy is working every day. The only important thing is that you realize, okay, what is the situation and what have I done? Have I done everything right? Have I stick to my trading plan? I think we did. I will see it later and I will take you with me then and show you how I recap a day. This will be something big, guys. I am trading in prop firms for years now and I know what for a hustle and what for stress it can be to find the perfect or the good prop firm. There will be coming some big news. It will take a little bit, but at one point I can provide you the best prop firm that ever been on this fucking planet. So we reviewed why we lost today, and basically it was because the market condition wasn't like we want them. We broke out of this zone, so we sold. But before we broke up on this channel and we bought, we got wigged out, stopped out, so retraced back, faked out again, then faked out. So today there was like fake city. This is not an area where we want to buy or sell in this area. This is just like nothing that makes us feel comfortable getting into a trade. On this second candle, the volume dropped dramatically, and this was an indicator for me that we need to get out as soon as we can. So we did. Down here, very good exit. That's why we ended up on a BE and didn't had a big loss today. In openings like this, it's better to step back and not trading breakouts, because for breakouts you really need volume. You need high volume. You need a lot of people in the market. You need buyers and sellers. You need to have some traction there. And if this is not given, the market is too slow, because you don't have the power to break the zones. You don't have the power to stay above the zones. And this is often killing your trade. So therefore, if you see volume like this, not trading the breakouts, because normally, and if you go back on this, you have way higher volume up there. You see this? This is the volume indicator, and you have a high one, high one, high one, high one, high one. And today we had a high one and then just low candles, so low volume. And this is something that you need to learn when you try to trade breakouts and doing the QFX trading floor method. You need to be in a high volume market, and normally it is given in the opening. For New York, this is why we're trading the opening, but not today. So come back tomorrow stronger, better.
Pull up, master, lights low, no flash. Every up, no, I move for the gas. Bulletproof hard, I'm built from.
We arrived at the location. Cheers.
Money stacked tall like a tower stand. No fake love, only family win. Hustle in the night, make the city my throne. Every dark street got my name in stone. Yeah. I'm in the kingpin, no talk, no cap. Boss of the game, I don't need no man. Go to my neck, fire in my eye.
We just had a very crazy push on the Euro, USD and the UA30. You can see this, what I said. But this was the zone I told you before, that this could hold. It held it and it flew because some news came in. We are now going to the hairdresser. Got my MacBook with me because we don't get it home, or we don't make it home till the opening. So we will go to a coffee afterwards and trading somewhere else. And again, showing you that you can trade from everywhere. You can make money from everywhere. I guess this is one of the biggest perks from trading. You can be wherever you want. You can do with your time whatever you want.
Feels like the last few nights we've been everywhere and back, but I just can't remember it all. What am I doing?
So this is one of the most famous views and streets called Siegestor. So Victory Lane or whatever you want to call it. Very, very famous in Munich.
Till it's over, but it's far from over.
Now getting to ATM, going to the hairdresser afterwards, having the opening, enjoying the sun a little bit. I guess this is what it's all about.
Never sinking, about to set it off, Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove, tell me how I'm getting home. You too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I could teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone. I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known.
Fresh cut, everything's fresh. I am now looking to go to a cafe, having a coffee and trading because we got 50 more minutes to opening. Let's see what is the market giving us today. Hopefully a little bit more than yesterday. So let's see.
It wouldn't be the first time I done it, throwing hundreds when I should be throwing ones. I run it. I know way too many people here right now that I didn't.
My wife is a little bit sick today, and this is why we're gonna need to get her some ginger, to make her some ginger tea. Some kurkuma. Yes.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm doing me. I'm living life right now, man. And this what I'ma do till it's over. But it's far from over.
I just finished the call with the new guys in the coaching. Happy to have them on board. Great people. I know they will be so successful that we make a lot of money out of trading, because they understood that it is not a quick one. So you need to invest, you need to take your time, you need to make sure that you're not overpacing. That's very important, and they understood it. We need to talk about the FOMC meeting. If you're not really a master in trading, if you're not trading for years, if you're not knowing exactly what the fundamentals are doing, what interviews, what notes are doing to the market, stay the fuck away. It doesn't make any sense to trade, because the FOMC is the Champions League of trading. And everybody that ever traded news knows that there is high volatility, but this is nothing compared to FOMC or any other rate cuts.
Made this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loot.
So, I always love to go to the gym before a session. It's just clearing up the mind, clearing up my thoughts and everything. I love it to be a little bit exhausted because I'm not over hyped to go in the market, and that's sometimes very important for me.
We made no moves, now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with the crew. I just landed in, Chase B mixes pop like Jamba Juice. Different color chains, think my jeweler really selling fruits. And they joking, man, know the crackers wish it was a news. Sunset.
Surrender, retreat, we all in too deep. Plan for keeps, don't play for.
I'm now gonna fish the drink, go on the treadmill, driving home, taking a shower, trading the opening, and then we are going to buy a new iPhone. My wife wants a new iPhone. Probably we also have a coaching today with 2 new people that are looking to get into our coaching. And I love to have first free session with everybody that they understand what I'm trading, how I'm trading, and what I'm gonna teach them, because I just want people in and really want to go 100%. How you like the logo? I created it pretty new. The trading floor, that's our Discord, it's our academy, that's all the brand we're building around KOFX. Let me know in the comments what you think about the trading floor, and if you like the logo. So we still have like an hour till the market's opening, till the live stream starting. So I'm now gonna take a shower, probably eat something, and then jump on the charts. I will take you with me on the charts this time. I'm hyped. I think we're gonna see some movement today, but this is good. This is nice. This is nice. I like it. This is what I wanna see before the opening. If we're going up there again, I'm buying. No, not yet. Not yet. Obviously, if we're breaking below here, we're taking a sell, you know? Guys, you see it, guys? It's not there. If we're pushing, I need to buy. I don't like it a lot, but I am in. Because if we want to push, we're pushing now. If not, we're gonna retrace back down here. See, the volume is not there. It's very slow. It's very, very slow. Very, very slow. Come on. A 1-to-1 is good at these days. Come on, push now. Push. But this is good. This is good. We made a 1-to-1. Yeah, a 1-to-1. And at the moment, for after FOMC, we need to be happy to do it like this, you know. If you guys want to, we can also do Nasdaq in the next, because Nasdaq was moving pretty better, to be honest. If you're going in now, it's very late, very, very late. So guys, we are now going to get the new iPhone for my wife. We got the dog with us. So, successfully got the iPhone. Tomorrow is Friday. Friday is always a good day to trade when you love trading low volume. So not a breakout, it's better for trading in general pairs, so Forex and everything, but not indices. So if you are looking for having a more quiet day in trading, Friday is your day. So guys, back home, just the last things for today to do before we're finishing off the day. There's nothing that I really like at this time. Also converting the video of the live stream today. We'll upload it to YouTube. So we will do on a regular basis getting YouTube videos of live streams up there. I think it's a cool thing because you can follow up on what we have done, what we have traded, why we have traded it, and what was the actual process behind the zones, etc. So that's the last thing we're gonna finishing off, and then I'm out for the day. So like every Sunday, we're gonna have our Sunday setup. It will start in around 10 minutes with the guys that I'm coaching. So the VIP coaching. Every Sunday we have a look at the market, seeing what we think, where our zones are, where we're gonna have some kind of potential trades, what are the different pairs we wanna look at the week. This is the whole list of pairs, but we're gonna break it down to like normally 4 or 5. Yeah, this is what we are doing now, and I will let you be with us a little bit. Probably in a fast forward, you will see what we're discussing. It normally takes around half an hour, and then we are prepared for the week. We have set our alarms, we have set our zones, and we are feeling so comfortable that we know that when there is any opportunity in the market, we will get an alarm and see if there is a potential entry or not.